You guys situated?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, another truck.
Oh, another truck.
We get all trucks.
We can each have our own truck. I call the Dookie Brown one.
Alright, I'll run back upstairs.
Then you got the one we came in, I guess I'll get the one in front of the bus stop.
That's fine.
Let's go park them all in the airfield. Have you driven one yet, Eldon? These things are potatoes.
Oh yeah, I've driven one inside.
Okay. Oh yeah, don't hit zombies with it. It'll break your shit.
Which way are we going?
We're going to the airfield, I guess. Unless you guys have a particular place you want to go.
No, not really.
I've never seen three like this. This is awesome.
Where's the fuel gauge on this bitch?
It's
On the right.
to the right. It's on the right side. It starts with a full tank.
Mine's full. Convoy.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the other guy to get on the road. What are you doing down there?
I was trying.
Stalling.
I want to be in the back because I want to hit anybody, so you guys go.
Alright, yes. Alright. Follow me! If you hold shift, you get, it's like turbo. But it's also harder to steer. Or easier to roll, whatever.
Oh no.
Did you roll it?
No.
Three trucks. Alright, we're going to the runway.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no.
What? What?
I messed up my camera. There we go.
You
I was
what?
I was looking straight down at the truck. My camera angle.
Oh.
I'm driving this bitch first person.
Alright, we're making a little left around the town through the woods here. Follow me.
Yeah, first person you're playing one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like first person. Airfield's just over this hill up here. Behind the trees. You can go through the small bushes.
I just flipped.
Oh my god, that didn't take long. Where is he?
I don't know. I can't see behind me.
Right where I turned off the road.
Are you okay?
Yeah, that's not great.
I'm looking for his truck, I don't see it.
I see it.
Oh, there's Ben.
Can I flip it over again?
Maybe here, I'll try to push it and nudge it.
I'll nudge at full speed.
No, let's not do that. I gotta do this slowly so I don't break anything. See if this shit works. Whoa!
Oh, I can't stop! I can't stop! I can't stop!
Dude, it like threw me backwards. Did you see that? Stand clear, Ben. I don't want to run you over by accident.
I couldn't stop. There was no brakes.
Oh,
Alright, let me help you.
I nudged it.
Got Ben.
Give it a little bit more speed. You get back into it.
If we both hit it at once.
I think if you hit it on Eldon's side more and try to turn it, so it's more parallel to the road, it might be easier to turn over. I don't know.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Ah!
Just abandon this thing. Let's abandon this thing.
Well,
I'm gonna go full speed. I'll get it, Ben. Whoa! Whoa!
I missed it. What happened?
I
he
almost
fucking
flipped.
flipped. But it landed right. Alright, how'd you get out, Ben, safely?
Out of the truck?
Yeah.
I just opened the door and hopped out.
Oh, okay. Alright, let me open driver
You
door.
rolled too?
Yeah, you don't see me on my side over here?
I do now. Oh, jeez.
I'm getting out. I'm unhurt. Wow. That didn't take long at all.
Somebody's gonna come up on that.
What happened here? We should flip this one too. Oh.
That's awesome.
Did you guys hear nothing?